you. Okay,
I
you're
see
good.
this.
Good.
You ready?
Yep.
You started?
Yes.
Oh my. Well, hello there. It's finally a sunny day. That yellow thing in the sky is something we're not used to. And so today it's time, because we planted some things in the garden back in Easter, it is time to weed and till the garden again because we haven't been able to get in the ground. So to do this, it's something I have to go over with you. Today's lesson is on hoe identification and hoe usage. Something that most high school kids have talked about. I've been in education for almost 30 years, and it's amazing to me how quiet people get when I come around and they're talking about their hoe usages, or they're thinking about hoe usages and identifying hoes and all this and that. And it's amazing to me how quiet they get, and I'm not supposed to hear it. I'm glad I don't hear it because I don't want to. Anyhow, let's go over what is a hoe. This is not a hoe. This is not a hoe. This is a hoe. Aha! Look, this is a hoe. But this is an Amish hoe because I bought it at the Amish sale. Not everyone has an Amish hoe. And finally, this is a hoe, but it is a broken hoe, and I bought it off the Amish. And if you look closely, it is a broken, dirty Amish hoe, and I use it quite frequently. That's probably why it is broken. But you've got to be careful when you're using your hoes, because you can break them if you go too hard. Now, let's go to the garden very quickly. As Christine is going to take me. Get out of the garden. Now, I have already rototilled this, but I am taking my dirty, broken Amish hoe that I like very much. And I am going to hoe out my weeds, because I have peas growing here that I have to get a trellis up for. But this is what I do after I run my rototill. I make sure that I hoe out my weeds. So, in conclusion, hoe identification is important, but this is agriculture, this is horticulture, this is gardening. These are the types of hoes we talk about here. And these are at least appropriate. So, identify your hoes correctly, use your hoes correctly, and take it easy.